Dear friends, today I am going to talk about the concept of magis in Ignatian spirituality. Magis is a Latin word which means doing more. It is a philosophy of doing more for others. So, doing more is not the quantity of actions, but rather the quality of our action. With what quality I do, with what intention I do. In his spiritual exercises, this magis is explained clearly. Very often, he is asking all of us to ask these questions. What have I done for Christ? And what am I doing for Christ? And what will more do for Christ in the future? So, doing more is doing more for others. When Ignatius intended, he said we must do or excel in all that we do, in all that we speak. Magis is not satisfied with the minimum, rather we must excel in whatever we do. Always aim at the excellence, the best of our action, quality of our action, and that is magis. Down the ages, many generals have spoke on this concept of magis. For example, our former general Adolfo Nicolas, when he was addressing the Philippines university students, he was talking about the depth dimensions of one's life. When we go deep into the deeper dimensions of our life, we will come to know who we are and we will come to know our value system and what we stand for. When I go deep into my life, I will also make a quality response. So making a quality response is part of magis. When we come to the life of Pope Francis, he is talking about mercy. Magis means for him mercy. He is addressing the people. As God is merciful, we must also become merciful. In his letter, Mercy and Communication, he says, becoming merciful is becoming generous with others, generous in forgiving, generous in accepting, and generous in building relationship. So, if you become so merciful, you will build good world, good communities, and good family. Let us become men of magis and men of generosity, men of magnanimity in all that we do, in all that we speak, and that becomes a real example of being disciple of Saint Ignatius. Thank you.